Hi beautiful people, today we're going to see about the S21 lineup overview. Let's see first about the front camera. You can use portrait mode or live focus on your Galaxy phone. You know that Samsung's innovative cameras are fun to use and always include multiple options for getting your shots just right. The live focus feature has been a part of Galaxy phone cameras for a while and is known for its iconic features. The original live focus is still great, but it has been replaced with portrait mode on the Galaxy S21 lineup. With portrait mode, you can use brand new filters and effects to truly transform your selfies. You can even take your workout to the next level with the Galaxy S21. Doing workouts out from home is convenient and fun, but sometimes it can be difficult to tell if you are doing things right. If there is no teacher or instructor to critique your form, that won't be a problem with the new mirror view feature in Samsung Health. It lets you screen mirror a workout video to your TV, while simultaneously displaying you on the TV while you work out. And the cameras on the Galaxy S21 series offer a changement on some previous pictures as well as a few new ones for you to experiment with. You can select standard photo options like night mode or pro mode, or use the new director's view and dual recording when shooting videos. The new portrait mode allows you to play around with filters when taking selfies, and the improved single take mode offers different styles of photos to suit your preferences. With so many features to choose from, you will enjoy creating, personalizing, and sharing your favorite content. And how to use single take on One UI 3.1 Galaxy phones? The single take features on One UI 3.1 Galaxy phone comes with some new options for capturing your best shots yet. Just like on previous version, you can line up your preferred shot and let the camera app do the hard work for you. On One UI 3.1, however, you can choose from additional features like a speed, effect, and portrait mode before snapping your pictures. It'll even detect changes in your face, such as smiling or frowning. With all these new options, your single take photos will be more dynamic than ever on your Galaxy. And what about the speaker? The speaker transmits your voice from phone calls or voice comments. You can use director's view and dual recording on your One UI 3.1 Galaxy phone. Are you an aspiring blogger or YouTuber that has difficulty juggling multiple devices when you're trying to record yourself? Or maybe you just need something new to freshen things up in your videos. Either way, you should check out director's view and dual recording on Galaxy phones with One UI 3.1. It lets you record a video using the rear camera and selfie camera at the same time. You'll be able to record things around you and your reaction simultaneously. You can even connect your Galaxy phone to a car. If you like to listen to music from your phone through your car speaker, you can connect your phone with a USB cable or auxiliary cable. Or you can use Bluetooth for a wireless connection if your car supports it. For hands-free driving, you can download the Android Auto app to make calls, open mobile apps, and use your smart devices as well. And this is in-display fingerprint scanner. You can use fingerprint recognition as an alternative to entering a password, PIN, or pattern to access your phone and certain apps. You can set up and use the fingerprint sensor on your Galaxy phone. No one in the world is quite like you, and no two fingerprints are exactly the same. That's why fingerprint security on Galaxy phones is so dependable. However, using the fingerprint scanner may be a little different based on which type of phone you have. And on the bottom, we can see the USB charger and the audio port. You can connect the phone to a USB charger and other optional accessories like a headphone or adapter. The cameras on the Galaxy S21 series. The Galaxy S21 series cameras offer changements on some previous features, as well as a few new ones for you to experiment with. What about the Use Director's View and dual recording on your One UI 3 Galaxy One? Are you an aspiring blogger or YouTuber that has difficulty juggling multiple devices when you are trying to record yourself? Or maybe you just need something new to freshen things up in your videos. Samsung S21 is your best option for now. Just take a look at this video, see it again, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video just to see more videos about it. Thank you for inspiring me to make more videos. Have a good day. Thank you.